C Sharp is a great first language to learn as a developer. And there's a number of reasons why, but it starts off with it can be very, very simple. If you open up a console application, get started, you can just start writing code and immediately get feedback on it. But then not only that, as you grow as a developer, you're going to figure out what you like and don't like. You may think right now, I want to be a front end developer. And then you find out, I don't like the front end. Or you say, I'm like a full stack developer. And you find out, ooh, I really just like the back end of code. Or I like just the front end of code. Or I like mobile development or web development. And if you choose the wrong language up front, what happens is you have to go, oh, I need to switch languages now in order to do that thing. But with C Sharp, it allows you to put off that decision as long as possible because C Sharp works on the back end, the front end, on the web, on mobile, on IoT, on desktop, on Windows, on Mac, on Linux, and so on. It works pretty much anywhere, which means that you can choose later, after you figure out what these different things are, you can choose later which thing to specialize in and still be able to use the language you've been learning. That's important because I always recommend that when you learn your first language, you learn it very deeply rather than trying to skim the surface of one language and skip to the next. Because if you do that, well, then you're not going to actually become a great developer because you've never gotten the depth you need. So I encourage people to get the depth they need, but by doing so in C Sharp, you still have the opportunity to do what you enjoy best and what you find out, what you discover you enjoy best in the C Sharp language.